Hello, let's start a new video on Azure DevOps Sprint channel on YouTube, and I'll talk about on Sprint 143. And this feature is new work item text editor. Now on example description field, acceptance criteria or discussion field, you have a rich text editor here. And now we'll have example bold option, italic, underline, bullets, emojis, font color, increase, decrease, tabs, and font size, example, equal on markdown, header 1, 2, 3, etc. Include your respective code, clear format, insert margin to resize. I will create an example here. Example, bold option, and select and click on bold, italic option with red font, and I click here. I click on clear format, and after this I'll click on italic, and of course I'll click on red font. Okay, and I will put an image here, example, and resize this image, of course. Okay, and we will have this option description, acceptance criteria, and discussion field or other fields, and you can customize your work item form. Thank you. See you next video. Bye bye.